Good morning, world. Today is gonna be a beautiful day.
Good morning, Anna. Wake up, sleepyhead. Come on, Tom, faster! This is so much fun! Yeah! Look, we're almost there. This is the best day ever.
Look at the clock. It is exactly 7 o'clock. Time to start our day.
Let's make our beds first. Making the bed is a very good habit. Look, Tom. My bed is completely neat and tidy, too. Next, we go straight to the bathroom to wash up and get refreshed. Time to get clean. Brush your teeth and wash your face. Cleanliness makes us healthy.
Open the tap gently. Let's use cool, fresh water to wake up our faces.
Wow, this cold, fresh water feels absolutely amazing on my skin. Now that we are fresh, let's put on our neat school clothes.
I am wearing my favorite green t-shirt today. It looks so neat.
Next come my blue denim jeans. Pulling them up and buttoning them securely.
Look at me, Tom. My yellow daisy dress fits perfectly and feels so comfy. Wow, Anna, it looks great on you. Our clothes are ready. Now, let's go downstairs for a healthy breakfast.
Wow, the kitchen smells wonderful. Breakfast is the most important meal.
Have a seat, Anna. Being polite to each other makes a family happy.
First, we pour the crunchy golden cereal into our bowls carefully without spilling.
Then, we pour fresh, cold milk over the cereal. It looks so delicious.
Remember to chew your food slowly, Anna. Healthy food gives us energy to play and learn. After finishing our meal, we always put our dirty dishes in the kitchen sink. Breakfast is done. Now it is time to pack our backpacks for school.
I am putting my English notebook and pencil case inside my bag neatly.
And I am packing my colorful crayons for art class. I love drawing.
Zip up the backpack carefully so all our things stay safe inside.
Backpacks are ready. Let's go to the hallway to put on our shoes.
Tie your shoelaces tightly into a neat bow so you don't trip while walking.
My shoes have easy Velcro straps. Click, click. They are all locked and ready. We are fully dressed, packed, and wearing our shoes. Let's go out. Goodbye, home. Off we go to have a wonderful day at school. Goodbye. Always hold hands when walking on the sidewalk. It keeps us safe. Look at that cute little puppy, Tom. He is saying good morning to us. Stop at the corner, Anna. We must always look left and right before crossing.
Look for the pedestrian sign. It shows where it is safe for kids to cross. The nice red car has stopped for us. The driver is waving us through.
Let's cross the street quickly and safely using the white crosswalk lines.
Look, Tom, the big yellow school bus is here right on time.
The bus door opens. Let's step up carefully one by one.
Ladies first. Hold the handrail tightly while climbing the high steps, Anna. I love riding the school bus with you, Tom Dye. It is so much fun.
Here we are. Happy School looks so bright and welcoming today.
Let's step down carefully. We have arrived safely at school.
Wow, look at all the children. Everyone is so happy to be at school. Someone is playing soccer. Sports keep us active and strong.
Good morning, my friends. Are you ready for a fun day of learning?
Hello, Lily. Anna, I missed you so much.
I missed you too. Let's walk to our classroom together.
Hear the bell. The musical school bell is ringing. Time to go inside.
Let's walk nicely in the hallway. No running inside the building. Look at all the beautiful artwork on the wall. The drawings are so colorful.
Here is our cozy classroom. Let's find our seats quickly.
Wow, the classroom is so neat. Everything is clean and ready for us.
Take off your backpack and sit down straight. Good posture helps us focus. Okay, Tom.
Place your notebook and pencil box neatly on the table before class starts.
Look, our teacher is here. She always greets us with a big, warm smile.
She is holding a beautiful storybook. I wonder what story we will hear today. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher. We are happy to see you today.
Good morning, little ones. Let's start a wonderful day of learning together.
Good morning, teacher. A great routine makes a great day. Let's learn and grow, everyone.